Hello everyone, in my last video we have discussed some problem related to your identity relation, and we have done the problem based on elimination method by using your identity relation. So today in this video we'll be learning some more problem how to use your elimination method. Okay, that is the problem based on elimination method only, but we'll be using our identity relation. So let me recall all those three identity relation. What was your first identity relation? It is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is your first identity relation. What is the second one? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This is your second identity relation. And the third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So these are your three identity relations. From this, the first one you will be getting 2 more, from the second one you will be getting 2 more, and from the third one you will be getting 2 more identity relations. So let us come back to your problem. As you can see, I have taken the problem from your exercise 80, question number 5 and question number 6. So let us try to solve your question number 5. What is given? Let us go through. Let us try to understand the problem first. So they have asked you, if x cosec theta is equal to a and y cot theta is equal to b, prove that a square by x square minus b square by y square is equal to 1. As you can look here, there is no theta. That means they have eliminated your theta. So how to solve this problem? You start with the left hand side. Of this. Okay. So what is the left hand side? Left hand side is a square by x square minus b square by y square. So let us do the solution. Question number 5. Solution. So start with your LHS. Left hand side. So how much it is? A square by x square minus how much? B square by y square. Now, what is the value of A? A is given to be x cosec theta. Put down the value. X cosec theta whole thing square divided by x square minus. What is your B? As you can look here, what is your B? Your B is y cot theta. So you put y cot theta whole thing square by y square. So I am putting my A and B. Now, after you finish to put your A and B, now you do the simplification. No need to be worried. This problem is not that very difficult. So kindly do the simplification. So you will be getting x square cosec square theta by x square minus y square cot square theta by y square. So you got this much. Now x square you cancel, y square you cancel. So how much you got? You got cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So you got cosec square theta minus cot square theta. And how much is the right hand side? You have to get. You have to get 1. Your right hand side is 1. Is this equal to 1? Now go back to your identity relation. This is your identity relation. From here, what is your cosec square theta minus cot square theta? It is equal to 1. This cot square, you bring it to the right hand side, you will be getting 1. So this is equal to how much? This is equal to 1. So which is equal to your RHS, and this is proved. I hope so. You are alright with this. Now let us move to the next number, different type of problem I have taken, that is question number 6. Let me go through the question. What is given? As you can look here, if x by a sin theta minus y by b cos theta is equal to 1, and x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta is equal to 1, then they have asked you prove that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2. So what you will be doing is that if you start with your left hand side, Where is the problem? See, this type of problem is based on your elimination only, because you don't have any theta. So this is your elimination problem. The problem, it is a type of elimination problem. But the problem here is that if you start with your left hand side, you don't know your x directly. It's not given. Okay, in this problem you can put your a and b, but here you don't know x, you don't know a. So how to solve this type of problem? So let us see. See, in what expression you have to get at the end? You have to get x square by a square, y square by b square. That means keep that in your mind, you have to get the square. So whenever you have to get the squares, what you will be doing is that you make a whole thing square of this and whole thing square of this. You do squaring both the equation. Then you try to add, you try to subtract. Let's see what can be done. So let us go to the next number, that is number 6. 6 solution. Let us see what is given. X by a sine theta minus y by b cos theta is equal to what? This is your first equation, and the second equation is what? X by a cos theta y by b sine theta is also equal to 1. That is also equal to 1. Now what you do, you take this one, you do one thing, you do squaring both the sides. So you write down squaring both sides. When you do squaring both sides, how much you are going to get? You will be getting x by a sine theta minus y by b cos theta whole thing square is equal to 1 square. You got like this for this equation. Similarly, similar type of thing you will be getting for this equation also. So here it will be x by a cos theta plus y by b sine theta whole thing square is equal to 1 square. I hope so you are alright with this. I have made the square of this, I got this. I made the square of this, I got this. Now let us try to simplify it. Let us try to simplify it. Let us do the simplification next. So when you simplify, this is a minus b whole thing square. So it will become how much? This will become, this square means x square by a square sine square theta. Okay? A minus b whole thing square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. So minus twice ab, 2 into how much? X by a sine theta y by b cos theta. Then plus b square plus y square by b square cos square theta is equal to 1 square is 1. 1 square you got it as 1. Take this one as your equation number 1. Take this one as your equation number 1. And what else you are going to get next? Let's see. Because I need the space. So let us see. What is the next thing you have to get? So you will be getting here x square. Do it similarly. X square by a square cos square theta plus 2 times x by a cos theta into how much? Y by b sine theta. Y by b sine theta, and the last part will be plus y square by b square sine square theta is equal to 1. This is your equation number 2. This is your equation number 2. And how much you have to prove? You have to prove that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2. This is the thing you have to prove, okay? So let's see, you have to get 2 in the right hand side. Is it possible to get 2? Yes, because when you add 1 plus 1, you are going to get 2. So what is the next step? You do equation 1 plus equation 2. Let's see. You do what? Equation number 1 plus equation number 2. So this implies how much? See here, when you add, you don't have to write down each and every expression. So I am adding this part, left hand side with the left hand side. This one and this one I am adding. So when you add this and this, do you have similar type of term with plus and minus? See here, 2x by a sine theta. Do you have 2? Here 2x by a sine theta. Then y by b cos theta. Y by b cos theta. So those terms are there. When you add this expression and this equation, the left hand side and left hand side, when you add, you have to add this plus to this and minus to this, and that will get cancelled. So that will get cancelled. So what will be left? You're left with x square by a square sine square theta plus y square by b square cos square theta. Okay? Because this one and this one will get cancelled. So plus how much? X square by a square cos square theta plus y square by b square sine square theta is equal to how much? 2. Because your right hand side is 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now what is the next step you have to do? I think that is clear. This part and this part got cancelled. This part and this part got cancelled when you add. That's why I am not writing that part. Okay, this implies, now you see, can you take out something common? From here and here, what is common? X square by a square is common. From this part and this part, your x square by a square is common. So what is left? Sine square theta plus cos square theta. I hope so, that is okay for you. Then, from this and this, what is common? Y square by b square is common. Y square by b square is common. You're left with cos square theta plus sine square theta. It is equal to how much? It is equal to 2. Now you almost got the answer. See, right hand side not a problem. At the left hand side you have to get x square by a square, y square by b square. Now what is the value of this expression? This is 1. Because you know the identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this will be 1. Similarly, this will be 1. So how much you are going to get? This implies x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 2. You can just give the reason, since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And this is proved. I hope so. You are alright with this number. So what you will be doing is that you try other numbers from your exercise. Okay, with this I'll conclude my class here only, and we'll meet in the next video. Okay then, thank you so much.